Good morning guys, today we've got here Google Pixel 10a and let me show you how to change date and time. So at first, let's enroll the list of all apps and pick settings. Then go to system. Okay, so we do have a system opened, but this is the layout that you will notice once opening the settings. And now go to system. Select date and time, and at first you have to switch off automatic date and time and choose it manually by yourself here. Just like that. Tap on OK, and that's it. Then you can also switch off automatic time zone and pick it from the list. So that's it, that will be all. Thank you for watching. Please subscribe our channel and leave the thumbs up.